आज आम भिलेज संघर जी कंप्रेसन तुमको दि जाए 43टा से करवा। एक नंबर देख, हु इज द पोएट ऑफ द पोएम भिलेज सॉन्ग, सरोजिनी नायडू। 2 नंबर, व्हाट इज सी पॉपुलरली नोन, सी इज पॉपुलरली नोन एज द नाइट एंजल ऑफ इंडिया। ओके, नेक्स्ट, वेयर वाज सरोजिनी नायडू बोर्न? इन हैदराबाद। In which book did the poem's village song appear? The Golden Threshold. 5. What doesn't the young girl want to do? The young girl doesn't want to get married. 6. What does the mother address her daughter? Honey. Honey child, whither are you going? Honey will say address करुचंते। Next, number 7. How many questions did the mother ask her daughter? 4 questions. First answer तुम्हें 4 question पाइजिबो। Whither are you going? Would you cast your jewels all to the breezes blowing? Next आसिला हमरो, would you grieve her love her? Would you leave her mother? से कथा 4टा question पचार गला। Next हमरो 9 number, what did the mother ask her daughter? 8 number देखो, why does the mother address her daughter as a honey child? It is her love and affection. 9. What did the mother ask her daughter in the second question? If she would cast her jewels all to the breezes blowing. If she would cast her jewels all to the breezes blowing. Next number देखो 10 number, what did the mother ask her daughter in her third question? Third question से कौन पचारले? Third question से पचारले, if she would leave her mother. 11. Who is riding forth to wed her daughter? Lover. Her lover, beloved persons. Who is riding? Okay, next 12 number. Whom would the girl grieve if she went to forest? The girl would grieve her lover if she went to the forest. If she went to the forest. Next, where is your daughter going? To the wild forest she is going. Who were calling the honey child? Fairy folk were calling her the honey child. Who were calling to the honey child? Who were calling? The fairy folk were calling. The fairy folk are calling, I can't stay, my mother. The fairy folk are calling. Oh, listen. Next number. What are blowing upon champa boats? Champa boats are blowing. Next, which places are frequently visited by the coils? Which places are frequently visited? The river isles are frequently visited by the coils. Frequently coil haunted river isles बोली कुहा जाइए सेठे हैला। देखियो बही रे। नेक्स्ट आसिला हमरो, where do lotuses and lilies glisten? Glisten means shine, चकचक देखा जिबा, attractive हबा। 70 number कहला, where do lotuses and lilies glisten? In the river isles. In the river isles. Next आसिला हमरो 18 देखो, what are the flowers mentioned in the poem village song? Lotuses and lilies are champa, lotuses and lilies are mentioned in the poem. Next, whom did the daughter asked to listen to the voices of fairy folk? It कहगला, the daughter asked her mother to listen the voices of the fairy folk. Next 20. What does the mother tell her daughter about the world? The mother tells her daughter that the world is full of pleasure. 19. 20. What does the mother want her daughter to do? The mother wants her daughter to enjoy the worldly pleasure. To enjoy the worldly pleasure. 21. 22 देखो ये कौन कहुचे. Which songs are mentioned in the poem? Bridal songs and cradle songs. Next is 23. ये माने कि तीनटा जिनस गोटे प्लेजर वर्ल्ड इज फुल ऑफ प्लेजर जो कहते हैं. फर्स्ट हूँ मैरेज सॉन्ग, सेकेंड है आमर मदरहुड आफ्टर मैरेज देन मदरहुड को ये प्रेजेंट बोली कहते वर्ल्ड प्लेजर कहते रखुंट. नेक्स्ट आसला आफ्टर मदरहुड क्रेडल सॉन्ग से कहुई ना छोट पिलाटे जन्म नेला बेलू आम जो प्रकार लरी बा लुलाबाई गाइबा ताको ये तीनटा कथा गोटे वर्ल्ड प्लेजर रूपे माइठे रखिंट. व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू मदर आर इन द लूम. 23. द ब्राइडल ड्रेसेस आर इन द लूम. 24. What are the colors of the bridal robes? Silver and saffron glowing लिखाई है. देखो glowing means color. What according to the mother are on the hearth? The bridal cakes are on the hearth. Okay. Next 26. What have rhythm of sorrow? कहार गोटे दुखर गोटे स्वर था. ब्राइडल सॉन्ग्स एंड क्रेडल सॉन्ग्स हैव रिदम्स ऑफ पेस ऑफ सोरो. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एक्सप्रेशन द लाफ्टर ऑफ द सन? द लाफ्टर ऑफ द सन मीन्स हैप्पीनेस, प्लेजर ऑफ लिविंग. 28 देख ये कौन कहे. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द विंड ऑफ डेथ? विंड ऑफ डेथ मैंने गोटे स्वर को बुझे लॉस सोरो. What according to the daughter is far sweeter sound? The forest notes. Note means gita, song. The forest songs have far sweeter sound. Why cannot the daughter stay at home? The daughter cannot stay at home because the fairy folk are calling her. The fairy folk are calling her. Next it कहगला देखो तुमरो एबे 31. What is the girl unwilling to do? The girl is unwilling to be chained in the marriage bond, marital bond. वैवाहिक बंधन रे बांधिबा को से मना करूछे, strongly unwill करूछे से. What is the girl determined to do? To go to the wild forest, to abort the marriage. Abort means न करिया में से रोक कहूछे. Next ये देखो 33. Where does the honey child want to escape? The honey child wanted to escape to the fairy land. जो लैंड रे की फेरी परी गुड़ी को अच्छे से लैंड को पड़ेबी. Because according to the kitty girl that is beautiful. Marital bond is mundane, inactive, dull, drab. Next one. इट को है देखो. What according to the poet, the river Isles is home to cuckoos. Next 35. What does the mother want her daughter not to cast? Cast means फिंगिबा. Would you cast the jewelry away कहिछि. तेनो एठा में कोन लिखिबा एठे. The poet wants her daughter not to cast her jewels all to the breezes, blowing breezes. 36. Who does the mother persuade means मनेबा, motivate करेबा with the daughter to wait for? का हुई कहउचंती. The girl is the mother persuades her with her daughter to wait for her lover who is riding forth to wed her. 37. When is the girl going to leave for the wild forest? The girl is going to leave for the wild forest before her wedding, before her marriage. Next आसिला हमरो 39 देखो. 38 कोन कहउछ एठे. What is the philosophy of the girl about the pleasure of death? The girl's philosophy. एठे जो हमरो कहला. What is the 38 philosophy? कोडा philosophy कहगला ना. The death of the pleasure of today's pleasure is tomorrow's sorrow. कारण जहाँ को आम ये माँ जहाँ को प्लेजर बोली कहते ऑल आर टेम्परारी नॉट परमानेंट और इटर्नल। नेक्स्ट डे देखो 39 नंबर व्हाट डज द गर्ल वांट टू रिमेन। द गर्ल वांट्स टू रिमेन एज ए चाइल्ड से चाइल्ड पर ही रहा चाहूँगी किंतु रही हेनी बिकज ऑल द वर्ल्ड्स ए स्टेज। नेक्स्ट आस देख व्हाट डज द डॉटर डीपली सी इन द प्लेजर ऑफ मैरिज। प्लेजर ऑफ मैरिज रे कौन कौ जिन देखा चाहूँगी द सरोज इन द हैप्पीनेस से जहाँ को सुख कहते से कल की गोटे सरोज हैप्पीनेस भितर से सरो को देखु। व्हाट इज क्रेडल सॉन्ग कॉमनली रिलेटेड टू। क्रेडल सॉन्ग्स कॉमनली रिलेटेड टू मदरहुड मातृत्व कथा ही कहुचे। नेक्स्ट आसला 40 व्हाट डज नो सॉरी 42 हाउ डज द मदर रिमाइंड हर एफेक्शन टू हर डॉटर। द मदर रिमाइंड्स हर एफेक्शन टू द डॉटर बाय सेइंग दैट शी हैज फेड गोल्डन grains. What according to the mother daughter's wisdom are worldly pleasures? All the worldly pleasures are transitory, they are temporary. All the worldly pleasures are temporary.